Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with my first hauls of the new year. So happy new year, everybody. I just wanted to just come on so I can put some of this stuff away because I have a lot of crap. But basically I've just been ordering kind of like stuff from all over, or if I go shopping I pick up a few things here and there. So this truly is a mixed plate haul. I'm gonna try to remember where I got everything from because things have just been coming in all over the place. And I'll try to remember, like, I'm pretty sure I kind of know. I tried to group them where they're from, but there are, like, it's just a lot of stuff. So if you don't know Pigeon, sometimes we'll call it like kapakahi, like it's all mixed up, or hamajang, like it's all messed up. so that's your Pigeon word for today. Okay, so let's get started. And I think in one of my last hauls I mentioned that I did have to pick up a new laminator, and the reason I did that is because I am in the Sanrio swap, which is hosted by Eileen and Ebony. So if you haven't already checked that out, go check out some of Eileen's playlists, or you can look at what we did last year. But what this year, one of the items we need to create is a traveler's notebook, and then I realized I couldn't find my laminator. So I upgraded to a better laminator, and I had to get the 5 ml because I couldn't find that either because my craft room's a mess. So I picked that up. So that came in. Luckily I can get started on that. The other thing I got from Amazon, I did find these spacer beads. They look kind of more like a baguette look. So I thought that was kind of neat. I don't have anything like that, so hopefully I think that'll fit my pens. And then I picked up, these are much smaller than I thought, but they're gold head pins because I also need to make a chunky charm. So that's all kind of in the works. The other thing that I let's do all the online stuff. So I did order from DIY Beads and Crafts and so forth. It's a Facebook group. And every so often I just find stuff that I like and I place an order. So I got that in recently. This one I ordered like back in December. And these are all like, I don't know if they're crystals, but they look like crystals, and they're the square beads. So these actually look really nice when you're doing like wristlets for phone straps. So I got that because they're not wide enough holes to go on like pens or anything, but I got that. And then she gave me a free gift of like mixed colored ones. So that's there's a bunch of sellers on there, but the main one that I buy from is the host, who is Kelly. So I got that from her. The other thing I got online was Kristen's picks. So 808 Craft and Gift Fairs, they decided to do like a marathon where they did like 24 hours straight of like, it was kind of like home shopping at work. And I couldn't catch all of it because I was working, but I did catch some of it. So this is what I got from Kristen's Picks. I managed to get the I don't know, she only had like a few of the Hello Kitty gingerbread, so I got that. And then I also picked up a bunch of these Keropi larger what are they called, resin or acrylic pieces. So that's in preparation for my upcoming swap. So I got a bunch of those. And then I also got some stuff from her mom, who is Lauren. She's the coordinator of the 808 Craft and Gift Fairs. So she was doing some destashing, and this is kind of what caught my eye. I saw it and then I wasn't able to order it, and then she came back on and I'm like, do you still have those cute dogs? Look how cute they are. Oh my god, and they're fuzzy too. They weren't real cheap, but I wanted to get them. I thought they were super cute, so I got that. And then she had these stars, which I thought were really pretty. I don't know if they can, oh, they're kind of big holes. They can probably fit on the pens. So I got those colors. And then I got some hearts. They're like iridescent looking hearts. And they also have kind of a wider hole, so hopefully they'll also fit on my pens. And then as far as beads go, this is the other beads I got. I did get some larger alphabet beads. I have the smaller ones, but I have hopefully this project will work. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna try to use that to personalize some projects. And then I have to pick up glue sticks. So that's just normal stuff, right? And then also online, I ordered, I think this is all from Aliexpress. I don't think this is from Temu yet. So I did, in preparation for my swap, get this, what is it called? It's kind of like a desk organizer. So it opens up and then you have pockets. So I will probably utilize that somehow. I also got this for myself. This is a cute Pochaco luggage tag. This I was a little disappointed in. It's a Hello Kitty focal bead, but I couldn't tell. I thought I was getting at least 5 and I only got 1. So just beware. I don't know if I'll even link that one down. Okay, then I got some, I think this is all from KS Crafts on their AliExpress store. This came really fast, so I don't mind ordering from AliExpress from them. Some other things take a little bit longer, but overall it's been pretty comparable to Temu now. So you don't have to wait as long, although there are like shipping charges, so you just gotta watch. So I did get the 3D gumball machine. It's a large gumball machine that you can actually put stuff in, and I saw a cute projects made with that. This is the strawberry dessert box, and after I was like, oh, why did I order that? But then today I think Hannah posted a video, and she was inspired by Soleil, who had done, I didn't see Soleil's video, but she had used this strawberry box and she doubled it, and then she made like a cover for it, and that was super cute. So I kind of like that idea, so I might use it for that. I did get some words. I don't even know what words this is. I think it's oh yeah, it's the craft word, so sequins and whatever. So to help like label when you're giving away goodies to other crafters. Here's a mason jar box. So it's actually it has this part where you can actually make it like a box to hold goodies. I did get the gingerbread man. He's like the attachment to the gift bag, which I think she's doing like the Easter ones now, but I think I have that gift bag. I gotta go check. So I got the gingerbread man add-on, and then this is a this is a die. I don't think this is KS Crafts. This is that KLJUYP store, which they're related, but it was cute. It's a gingerbread tag, and then so it has the back piece and then the layering piece. So I thought that was pretty cute, so I got that. Obviously not gonna use it till next year, but good to have in your stash, right? Okay, and then this stuff I got from my local Ben Franklin's Crafts. So I was just kind of looking to see what they had. I was trying to get inspired, and then I stumbled on the 75% off section. So every once in a while you'll get lucky, and in the clearance section, as long as it had the yellow tag, it's 75% off. So I wouldn't have normally purchased some of these dies if I had to pay regular price. But because it was 75% off, I'm like, oh, okay, sure. So I don't even know. I might have this die. I didn't want to pass it up in case I didn't have it. It was marked up to $50, but I got it for 75% off. And it's like a waterfall card. So you can use this mechanism not only in cards, but you can use them in mini albums. So I thought that that was good. If I already have it, then I will gift it to somebody. And then I also got the cute beehive with the little bee, and that again was 75% off. I guess that's kind of what it looks like. And then I got the mushrooms. Normally I was thinking, I don't know if I need the mushrooms, but I did see a lot of fairy stuff, and I think that they look cute when they sit on mushrooms, so I decided to get the mushrooms. I did get the lemons. I don't think I have this. I don't think I bought it, but if I did, then it'll go as a gift to somebody. And then I also got this heart. What is it called? Little heart, I don't know, strand. And so it creates like these little dangles, which I thought was cute. And then they also had some Simple Stories heartstrings paper that I really liked. So I picked up just several sheets. I didn't pick up the whole collection, but I did like a lot of it. So I usually pick up 2 of the 12 by 12s. These are cute banners. On the back has a really nice plaid, which you can use for anything. So I picked that up. I like the colors in this collection. So here's the cute hearts. And then on the back has the another like an orangey kind of plaid. This is always good to use as backgrounds, which is the black and white hearts. And then on the back has the polka dots. Sorry, you know, after the New Year's, I got sick again. I am like so sick of being sick, you guys. Like, it's not even funny. Okay, and then this one has the red polka dots and then the flowers. And then this one I got for this background, which is the cute flowers instead of this part. So I'm hoping to do something fun with that collection. I haven't been buying too much paper because I'm trying to I'm trying to use up the paper that I have. But this collection was so cute, I wanted to use it. Okay, and then I did, oh sorry, this was also from Amazon. I was inspired by Anna, who is Serenity Creations. Hey Anna. So she did a really cute lip gloss charm. If you don't want to make them yourself, go buy it from her because she has really cute ones. But I need to make a lot. Like, that's gonna be my next project for work. I think for Valentine's Day I'm gonna probably give this out. Get it? Valentine's Day lip gloss. So anyway, I got a set of these. They're like smaller in size and it comes with like 6 different flavors. My daughter and I took out all the flavors, but I don't remember what they were. I think it's like there's a brown one that's coconut. So coconut, grape, vanilla, mint, strawberry, and then there's a watermelon in there too. So it was 6 flavors, a set of 60, but they're on the smaller size, so it's not like the huge size. The hard part about this one, if you watch a lot of the tutorials, it's like a bigger tube usually, so there's a bigger space that you can poke the hole. So I have to be very careful when I'm doing this one because the area is not very big. So wish me luck. Hopefully it works out. But yeah, I didn't want to like buy the big ones for everybody because what if they don't even like it? Okay. And then the last thing I want to share, I have more stuff that I bought from there, but I just wanted to share a few things that I got from Daiso. So I thought this was really cute. It's a pen container, because I like to make a lot of pens, right, and give to people. So I'm thinking if I just decorate it here or something, you can always like put trim or whatever, then you know, that can be a really cute gift to give somebody. I did pick up the largest what are these called? Those clips that have the hollow thing. So you can actually resin these if you want to. I don't think I'm gonna resin it, but I do want to use it because one of our projects for the Sanrio swap is a clipboard. So I'm probably gonna use this, but I gotta check the rest of my stash to see what would make the most sense with the size and all of that stuff. I also picked up a couple of these. These are actually pencil cases. I bought pencil cases from them before. I just whenever I see them. But it's good to like when you want to gift somebody something, you know, maybe a little bit longer in size, probably not that bulky, but you can decorate the top too, like with cabochons or decoten or whatever you want. So I got a couple of blanks in these colors because I really like these pastels. So it's a lavender and a mint. I think that's it. Okay, so I have been trying to get inspired to work on the swap, so I'm gonna start making stuff hopefully today, but if not this weekend. And then I also have other things going through my head that I'm very interested in doing, and they mostly involve resin. So hopefully if I have time, I can play around and share them with you. I haven't seen anybody else do some of these techniques that I'm thinking of, so I'm hoping that if I can make it happen, then I can share it with all of you. Okay, so that is all I have for this video. Sorry, it was kind of a lot of rambling, but I'm just kind of slowly recovering from my illness, my second illness of the season, and I'm hoping that that's it for 2025. But I'm hoping that all of you had a better start to your year. My heart is with all of you in California who are affected by the wildfires. Please pray for everybody. Some of my family might be affected because they're in nearby areas. But I'm just hoping that everybody gets out safely, and hopefully they can start to contain that fire. Anyway, I wish all of you a great 2025, and I can't wait to see what you folks come up with. Talk to you guys next video. Bye.